With another drop back to this year's low range, it will be useful to place a trend-based Fibonacci extension and time zone on the main downtrend of the year. Then add a Fibonacci circle on this position around recent downswings. This shows us what can happen if 15 fails to hold. Essentially, an acceleration down towards 1175 and the outermost portion of the fib circle. In the event the chart does hold over 15, attention will focus on whether things will remain range-bound or develop towards a more significant uptrend to break through the low 20 range. Next, onto the Solana chart, where a stable decline has been at work. So stable, it provides a good reference for this Fibonacci channel. That can be complemented by this regular and trend-based Fibonacci time zone combination, followed by this pair of fib spirals. Essentially, if price can at least hold firm in the low to mid 150s over the next week, conditions for breaking out of the channel improve, though a more significant bullish move cannot be declared until the longer-term 200 barrier is crossed. In contrast, a continuation of the established drop can accelerate price down even with just a few closes in a row under 150. In such a case, a likely path lower would be along the spirals, down towards the low 100s, where there is better potential for more significant support. Now, would you kindly please subscribe and stay tuned for more crypto coverage? Then, while you wait for the next upload tomorrow, check out the hundreds of technical analysis tutorials already on the channel, including those on how to use every Fibonacci tool.